Have you ever wondered why some people speak English so much confidently while others struggle to find the right words? The answer is simple: they have strong vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of every language. Without enough words, you can't speak fluently, you can't understand, you can't have conversation with others, even you can't be able to write effectively or even think confidently in English language if you do not have fluency. So, fluency is the power to speak in any language, and fluency becomes stronger, or you will get fluency if you have some techniques to gather the vocabulary, right? So fluency depends on the vocabulary you have. The good news is that building vocabulary is not difficult. You do not need to memorize thousands of words. You do not need to memorize thousands of words overnight. You just need to write strategy and consistent practice, and you will be able to improve your vocabulary. Or you can have some techniques by which you can improve your vocabulary. Learn words in context. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is memorizing long vocabulary lists. Instead, learn words through the sentences. For example, instead of learning the word delicious, learn this sentence: the food was absolutely delicious. When you learn words in context, your brain remembers them much better. Next, you can learn small but learn daily. Learn small but learn daily. Do not try to learn thousands or hundreds words in one day. It will not be work. Instead, learn 5 to 10 useful words every day. Consistency always beats intensity. Right? Maintain a vocabulary notebook. Keep notebook only for English vocabulary, so that you can find out all the words which you need while speaking. Or if you need help of that notebook, then you can find out easily that where you have noted the needy word, right? So the word, its meaning, its pronunciation, its part of speech, and all these things are very much necessary if you want to improve your spoken English communication skills, and it will give you the fluency as well. When you will be able to speak fluently, then you will be able to get your accent as well. Along with the word meaning, you can learn about synonym and antonyms. Whenever you learn one word, learn similar word and opposite word as well, right? It will expand your vocabulary much better or much faster. If you learn antonym and synonyms, this will make your vocabulary vast, and it will give you much options to speak, and it will boost and enhance your spoken skills and will give you the fluency. Many English words come from the same root, right? By learning one root word, you automatically learn several related words. This will also boost your English communication skills and fluency. Read every day. If you read every day, reading is one of the fastest way to improve the vocabulary. And you can start your reading with children books, short story books, English newspapers, blogs, magazines, novels. Whenever you find a new word, underline it and look up its meaning. Reading naturally exposes you to useful vocabulary. Listen to the native English. Learn to English every day. You can watch English news, English podcast, YouTube videos, TED Talk videos, movies, web series, songs, and whatever stuff you like in English, then you can listen that and read that. It will boost your spoken skills. Notice one thing: whatever speakers using words and how they are speaking words naturally or in a natural form, note that and practice that also. This will also increase your vocabulary, and you will get accent and fluency as well, and all these things will improve and boost your English communication skills. Now, after learning new words, use new words immediately in your daily speaking, and learn without using is forgetting. If you will not use the words you have learned, you can forget these words, right? Whenever you learn new word, use it in your speaking or your daily writing, daily speaking, WhatsApp chats, emails, and other. Wherever you can use the words which you have learned newly. The more you use words, the stronger your memory becomes, and it will make stronger your communication skills and fluency and vocabulary. All these things will make you communicate in English language in a proper way, and this also will boost your communication skills. Think in English. Instead of translating every sentence from your native language, start thinking directly in English, because thinking in English automatically improves your vocabulary. Use flashcards. Flashcards are one of the best learning technique. Write the English words on the one side, write the meaning and the example of the sentence on the other side of the card. Right? This will be your flashcard, and this technique will really help you to improve your fluency and your vocabulary. Right? Revise these words daily for just 10 minutes. This will make you successful learner, and use these methods. Many successful language learners use these methods, and they have learned their desired language successfully. So you can also apply these methods, and you can also improve your communication skills. Apart from that, you can learn common phrases, not just single words. Native speakers usually speak in phrases, not isolated words. Revise regularly. Revision is the secret to long-term memory. A simple revision schedule is: review after 1 day, review after 3 days, review after 7 days, review after 30 days. These techniques help you remember words for years, and by using these methods you will have a vast vocabulary, and vocabulary will make you speak in English language continuously, and this will give you fluency and accent, and this will improve your or boost your English communication skills. If you follow these routine every day, your vocabulary will improve automatically, and within few days or few months, you will see a miraculous change in your fluency and your spoken English skills. But you need to remember some common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't memorize hundreds of the words without using them. Don't ignore pronunciation. Don't depend only on the translation. Don't skip revision ever. Don't fear making mistakes. Practice is more important than perfection. Vocabulary is not built in a single day, but it is one word, one sentence, and one conversation at a time. If you remain consistent and practice these techniques every day, you will notice a remarkable improvement in your English speaking, reading, writing, and listening skills. So believe in yourself Every expert was once a beginner. So don't hesitate, start speaking and start improving.